Welcome to MVP Auto, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. I'm your host, and I'm excited to share with you the specs and features of the iconic 1960 Chevrolet Corvair Monza GT. But before we dive in, let me take you back in time. Chevrolet, a division of General Motors, has been a leading manufacturer of American automobiles for over a century. Founded in 1911, Chevrolet has produced some of the most iconic cars in history, including the Bel Air, Camaro, and Corvette. Now, let's talk about the 1960 Chevrolet Corvair Monza GT. This sleek and stylish coupe was part of Chevrolet's Corvair line, which was introduced in 1960. The Monza GT was a high-performance variant of the Corvair, featuring a powerful 2.4-liter flat-six engine that produced 170 horsepower. With a 4-speed manual transmission and a rear-mounted engine, the Monza GT was a unique and exciting driving experience. Inside, the Monza GT featured a sporty and stylish interior, complete with bucket seats, a center console, and a range of modern amenities. Outside, the Monza GT boasted a sleek and aerodynamic design, with a sloping hood, a curved roofline, and a distinctive rear engine cover. If you're a classic car enthusiast, or just a fan of American automotive history, the 1960 Chevrolet Corvair Monza GT is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest automotive news, reviews, and updates. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you for your support. Your subscription helps us bring you the best content possible. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscription link is in the description below.